everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. I'm just coming to share some happy mail. So I've had some from the lovely Eileen, who always sends me stuff. She's always sending me stuff. I don't share every single thing that she sends me, or I'd be doing a video probably every other week. She's really kind to me, but sometimes I've just got to do it so that she knows I've got it and she knows that I'm appreciative. So this is from my lovely friend there in America. So she sent me these little flowers and some of this lovely lace, which is nice of her. I do like this lace and I use it a lot, and I'm going to be doing a well, I'm planning 2 different kinds of journals, but I'm going to be doing another shabby chic one. So what she sent me will get used in there. This lovely Prima stamp, these are really nice. She sent me another one like this with a bird on, and they're really lovely. And then she sent me this. It's a bit like twine but on hessian, which is unusual, so that's nice. I like unusual stuff like that. Then I know I have had some of this in the past. In fact, years ago when I had my lace shop, I used to sell it, and it's this garland stuff. It's really pretty on shabby projects. Just add a little bit of it onto your flowers or your tags. That's pretty. I've not had any of that for years. I've not even seen any for years. And then a little napkin, which is nice. I need to get back to my napkin journal. I kind of lost my mojo with it, and I had heaps of napkins sent by a lovely lady called Manda, and I've just not had any inspiration with it. I'll have to try again. Then she sent me these little like bags, like well, they're like envelope bags. These are perfect, aren't they? Be able to alter these and put them in journals. So those are nice. And then she sent me these little beads. I don't use a lot of beads. I don't know if they're glass or acrylic, I'm not sure. They might be glass, those. I don't know without bashing them on the table. I don't use a lot of beads, but I could make dangles out of those, couldn't I, from my journals. And then she sent me these lovely laces. Now these are beautiful, and this one I've not seen before. And I've had lots of lace go through my hands over the years, and I've not seen this one. In fact, I did used to make my own very similar to this by gluing the rosebuds on, but these have come like this. I don't think she's glued them on. I think it's come like that. So it's a 2-layer butterfly with the rosebud. How beautiful are those? Might have to, I don't know, I might have to make some flowers. They'd make beautiful flower centres. But she sent me quite a lot of it as well. So that's nice. That's really pretty. And then this one, I think I've had this one before. I think I've actually sold this in the past. So that is, all of those are attached, and it's a good quality one, this, because it's attached with a metal stud. Some sellers just glue it on, and some will attach it with a metal stud, and that's how you can tell good quality. So these are nice. And you can make these, if you've got just the butterfly, you can make them with some little tulle and some little bows. Pretty. And she sent me loads of it. Loads of it. So that'll last quite a while. So thank you so much, Eileen. I really do appreciate it. And I do appreciate everything you send me. Like I say, she'll send me stuff quite regular. She's ever so good. And it's very kind, because postage is hideous, isn't it? It's hideous. And then I received this just this morning from a lovely lady. Where does she live? Canada, I think. Yeah, Canada. So it's come a lot quicker than she thought it would, and this is from a lovely lady called Brenda, who contacted me and asked me if I wanted some of these. A little thank you for all you do and your hard work you put into it. P.S. You have to dye your own paper. That's a bit cheeky, sending me a rack and then I've got to dye it myself. I'm only kidding. So what she sent me is, she knows that I do love Bohemian Crafts and what Eva does, or Eva, and so she sent me some of these. They'll last me forever. So yeah, what you can do with these is obviously tea dye them or use your distress inks, and then add it to, you know, add it to things as decoration, and it's awesome. And obviously it's free because it's off of, you know, you tear them off of printers, don't you? Printer paper, large ones in offices have these, and then you rip them off. So she sent me heaps of them, so they will last me a long while. I'm super excited. I have been making some myself using the Zutter Bind It All that I borrowed from my friend Kay, but this has got the circular holes. I mean, you could make it yourself, you know, with a hole punch, but you're never going to get them perfectly evenly spaced. This is perfect. And there's loads of it. And it's stuff like this that I love. I think it's fabulous because it's something different to use in your creating. So I need to put that back in. It might get a bit squashed, but you can always flatten it back out. I'm going to save it in the envelope that it came in. And she sent me some other little bits and bobs. You've got to be careful what you send when you're posting from America and Canada, because you've got to keep the weight down. Because it's hideous. The price is hideous. I mean, it's cost her. What's she spent there? $6.39 Canadian. Is it Canadian dollars? Just to send this envelope of paper. So, you know, I really do appreciate it, which is why I've done a video. And she sent me these little tiny tags. Aren't they cute? They're tidgy. They feel like they're metal framed. Are they metal framed? What are they? K and Company. I want to open them and see if they're metal framed. They feel like they are. Unless it's just silver card. Just let me... Fiddly little sucker. And I said sucker, not a naughty word. Sometimes people, because of my accent, they think I say naughty words, but I don't. Never say a naughty word. Yeah, I think they're metal. Yeah, they are. They're metal framed, those. How cute are those? Those are awesome. I love those. Again, you know, it's things like this that people share with you that are just a little bit different, and you probably would never see them ever in your life. And then she sent me this little package. I'm not going to open it all, but in there are some pearl brads, which are lovely. Some, you know, the eyelets and the pink. And then some little, what are these? What are they called, them? You put your ribbons through them. I can't remember what they're called. Ribbon sliders, I think they're called, and then some little ribbons and some fibres. So they're lovely. So I love those brads with the pearls in. They're super lovely. And the pink eyelets I'll definitely use. And then this. Oh, my love. I have looked at it already because I'm cheeky. But these I absolutely love. Absolutely love them. Because you only need to snip off one and add it to a project. And she sent me all different ones. So I've got, that one's like blues and green and pink, and then this little ditty one here, look at that, and then this lovely one which is a little bit more kind of a deep pink red colour, and then this lovely one here. So I absolutely love these, so they will almost certainly be getting used. So that's my little happy mail that I've got this week. I'm so grateful. I really, really am. I use everything that people send me. I do use them, you know, and I put them away nicely. And this will go in my little. I've got a little basket with all envelopes and stuff in. That'll go in there, and then these will probably stay in here and go in my drawer with my paper bits. And you know, the lacy bits will go. These will go in my lacy bit drawer, and yeah, they will absolutely get used. And I can see this going in my next shabby chic journal. I've got two journals in my head. One's vintage and one's shabby chic. So yeah, I just need to create the digitals to go with them. Whether I create digital specifically or whether I go and buy one from somebody and support another seller, I haven't decided yet, but definitely want to do a really pretty shabby chic. And the vintage one that's in my head, I'm going to be doing my own digital for that. So there you go, just thought I'd share that with you on this lovely, beautifully sunny morning. Friday morning in England, and I might be quiet for a few days because I've been doing a little bit of, not home renovation, not like knocking walls down and stuff, but you know when you just need to do a bit of painting and a little bit of redecorating and a little bit of, you know, new touches and buy a few new cushions and just to give it a bit of a lift, is what I'm doing. I'm going through the whole house this over the next 2 weeks, so might be a bit quiet in and between. But yeah, so there you go. Right, so make sure you're following my Ko-fi store, which is in the description box below, and my Facebook group if you do Facebook. If you don't do Facebook, then follow the Ko-fi, because I do put free digitals up there. I don't know if one will go on the Ko-fi today, but one will most certainly be going up in my group for Freebie Friday. So there you go. I'll see you soon. If I don't see you over the weekend, I'll see you next week. If I don't see you through the week, I'll see you through the window. Take care. Bye.